Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming safety. Inspect the compressor, tubing, and plug for cracks or frays. Next, measure the prescribed medication or 0.9% saline into the nebulizer cup exactly. This ensures correct dosing and aerosol particle size. Assemble the cup, attach mouthpiece or mask, and clip tubing to the compressor outlet. Once done, place the unit on a flat surface at room temperature and plug it in. Make sure the mask fits snugly. Proper seal matters for delivery efficiency and comfort. You switch the compressor on and watch for a steady, fine mist within 10 to 20 seconds. This indicates correct flow and particle generation. Breathe slowly and deeply through the mouthpiece, or if using a mask, keep a relaxed seal. Inhale for 2 to 3 seconds, hold briefly, then exhale. This improves lung deposition. Monitor the cup as the solution nebulizes. Treatment usually takes 5 to 15 minutes. Make sure the compressor runs continuously and tubing stays untwisted. You finish by turning off and unplugging the unit, detaching the cup and mouthpiece, and emptying any residual liquid. Then rinse and air-dry components as recommended. Once dry, store in a clean, dry place and replace disposable filters or tubing per the schedule. If you see no mist, first check power and cable, then ensure tubing is firmly connected and not kinked. Inspect the inlet filter and that the nebulizer cup is seated and not clogged. If problems persist, contact support or a clinician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.